Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot Brawl Stars connection and server errors. So first check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem disappears. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router if other devices are also having connection problems. Next, completely close Brawl Stars and then reopen it again. You should also restart your phone and check for a Brawl Stars update on your App Store. And if the game still won't connect, then check whether Supercell is experiencing a temporary server problem. When there's a server outage or maintenance, the issue usually isn't something you can fix from your phone. You can also test another reliable network to determine whether your current connection is causing the problem. And avoid using unofficial game versions or tools that claim to bypass server restrictions. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.